Alright, it's good? Sweet. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special delivery, man, all the way from Montreal, Canada, or somewhere in French Canada, man. The boy dropped dough today. I think this might be the most expensive piece I have in my wardrobe, which really isn't saying much because up until this year, I mainly just shop at Uniqlo and that kind of sort of thing. But yeah, there it is, the Kapital. I don't even know what this is called. It's just the Kapital sweater. I don't know, with the skull in the back. Yeah, I'm a fucking noob when it comes to Japanese fashion. But basically, Kapital is a Japanese Americana brand. I just want to leave it at that. You know, I'll leave a link to a video for more information on it, but it's supposed to be a low-key streetwear brand that likes to keep their things exclusive. It doesn't really like to expand beyond the States, but you know, of course, you know, hype beasts eventually get their hands on these type of things. And this thing is shooting up, man, or in past years, it's been shooting up. So your boy had to hop on the hype train, you know, from one meme right here to another, a future meme. We had to get the sweater, and yeah, here it is. It's just like a, I think it's just like a, it's like a beige type Christmas sweatery thing. I saw some dude wearing this at a Japanese consignment store. It's really popular in New York, Tokyo 7, and I don't know, I just knew I had to get it. And we shelled out, man. This thing was, fuck, is there any information on it? I'm gonna just stop talking. I'm gonna put this thing on because I have no idea what I'm talking about. And I'm sure, you know, I think the only thing I'll fucking provide is just sizing on the sweater, since, you know, you can't find this shit in stores in the States. So let's just... And I got mine in a size 3, aka a US large. Your boy makes the worst life decisions. You know, it's 30 degrees out here in New York, and instead of getting a North Face puffer, we end up with this thing. But let's just see how it looks like on my back. I usually wear, I want to say large for sweaters because I kind of like the oversized fit. And I think I heard from the dude I bought this from that this is not, it's a relaxed fit. So this thing might be super big, but we'll see when I stand up. Some good amount of pilling. So yeah, I mean, it's a sweater. This is just how it is. It feels pretty nice so far. And here it is, guys. Honestly, I think it fits great. This large is like not too long. Let me pull up my pants really quick. So it goes about like 5 inches below the waist. And of course, we gotta check out the back real quick. You know, do the little TikTok challenge. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cue the music. You know, it's like. Is that the TikTok challenge? I don't know. But yeah, for reference, I'm 5'7.5". Let's just say 5'8", because that's what my dating profile says. And I wear a 28 inseam. I'm just rocking some Carhartt ripstop cargos. And this is the fit. Actually, let me turn this thing vertical so you guys can get a glimpse of everything. We're gonna leave the shoes out of this fit, but yeah, here's how everything looks. A bit oversized, but that's the look we're going for. Yeah, I think that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for stopping by on my terrible life decisions, guys. Catch you next time. Peace.